Hey, 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 what do you know? What do you say? It's Bortone, your go-to video guy, and I wanted to walk you through, excuse me, the video marketing process that I use most of the time for creating videos. Now, sometimes if I'm doing a live video, I just go on my iPhone and click go live. Other times, if I want to create a video that is going to have more shelf life or that I really want to spend more time on, because it's a keeper video, something that's going to be on YouTube, I'll be on LinkedIn for a while, or on my website. I use this six-step process, and this is just an example, kind of a mind map of how I create. First of all, I start with the video goal. So you got to reverse engineer your video, decide what is the goal for your video, and how do you want to accomplish that goal. Related to that, so basically, what's the video concept? What's the idea of the video? What is the video about, and what do you want the viewer to do? So really begin with the end in mind. What is your call to action going to be for that video? And then basically work backwards to make sure you get there. So start with the video goal. What is the objective of this video? What do you want the viewer to do when they're done watching the video? The next step is video production, and that's basically when I decide how am I going to record this video, what equipment might I need, what software might I need, and typically I record almost everything either on Zoom like I'm doing right here, and again with or without an audience, or on my iPhone if I'm on the go, or if I'm creating a vertical video like for TikTok or Instagram Reels. So I then decide what software or applications do I need, if any. So again, I can just record right on Zoom just like this. The only thing I'm using as far as software is sharing the screen and showing you my mind map. And then of course I want to decide, is there a better way to record this video? Should I do it with Loom? If it's a video email, should I use SendSpark or Warm Welcome? So those are the production considerations. And again, less is more and simple is better. So for this, in this case, I'm just recording right on Zoom. The next step is editing the video. Now, if it's a video that's a keeper video, if it's going to have some shelf life, if it's not a live video or a quick video, I'm going to edit the video. And then you have to decide, well, what are you going to use to edit it? Are you going to use iMovie if you're on a Mac, or Adobe Premiere or something else? I'm on a Mac and I use Final Cut Pro and have used it for over 20 years. So that's what I'm comfortable with. That's what I'm going to do. And if I'm editing my video on Final Cut Pro, that means I'm typically going to be adding graphics, music, effects, transitions, all that kind of stuff. If I'm doing a video and maybe it's a podcast or a video podcast, I'm going to edit it with software called Descript. Descript is great because you can create transcriptions, you can create audio from videos, you can create video from audios. There's a thousand things you can do with this software. It's really, really useful. So check out descript.com. The next step in the six-step process is, where is this video going to live? Where is it going to be hosted? The video has to basically live somewhere besides on your hard drive if you're going to distribute it. And in most cases, my default is YouTube. YouTube is a video hosting site. So even if the video is unlisted and I don't want a gazillion people to see it, I'm probably going to host it or store it on YouTube. You can also use a third-party app like Wistia or Vidyard. In this case, I'm using Wistia as the example, but there are third-party hosting apps, and the benefit of platforms such as Wistia or Vidyard is that you're going to be able to add a lot of bells and whistles to your video, but that's another video for another day. Another option, very, very affordable and very safe, is Amazon S3. So this is, basically, where's the video going to live? Where are you going to store it so that you can show it to folks? Amazon S3 is another option. Fifth is the video distribution, and this is key. You've got to get the video off your hard drive and out into the world, because why else are you making it? And you can distribute your video on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, all kinds of places. Your own website or blog, which I should have added here. I usually start with YouTube as sort of the main place because now I'm both hosting it and making it available to the general public as long as the video is public. Facebook is very video oriented these days. You can upload your videos to Facebook. You can upload your videos to LinkedIn. You can also go live on these platforms as well. You can also upload it to Instagram or TikTok or Pinterest. So there's no shortage of places that you can distribute your video. I would say pick the 3 or 4 where your audience is, where you know you can reach your peeps, and focus on those. And lastly, and this is, I guess it's kind of optional, is you can look at the analytics for your video. So if you're using YouTube, YouTube has a very rich analytics area where you can see who's watching the video, how long are they watching, when are they dropping off, where they're from, all kinds of stuff. And also with Wistia and or Vidyard, they have very rich analytics, and you can really dig into the research behind your video, and that will help you inform your decisions for the next videos you do. So you can use that research to enhance and improve future videos. So the video marketing process that I use and that you may want to use, just to summarize, is start with your video objective, figure out what you're going to use to record your video and what software or equipment will be needed. In many cases, it's just an iPhone. How you're going to edit your video, if you're going to edit your video, are you going to use Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, Descript, something else? Where's the video going to live? Video hosting. Where are you going to share and distribute the video? YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. And then are you going to look at your analytics so that you know what to do better next time? That is the video marketing process. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at vip@bortone.com. Thanks and bye for now.